In this video, I will tell you that how to hide your activity status on your TikTok account. So if you don't want your followers to know when you are online or when you are offline, then you have to hide your activity status. So in this video, I will tell you that how to do this. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok account, and after opening up your TikTok account, you need to tap on your profile option at the bottom right here, and then tap on three lines at the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on privacy here. And here you can see you have this option turned on. So when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow will see each other's activity status. So if you don't, if you want to hide your activity status, just turn this off. Okay, but you have to remember one thing, that if you turn this off, you will not be able to see your followers activity status as well. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.